guys, it's Megan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Greek artist updo. It's really fast, really easy, and it looks amazing. So, stay tuned, and this is Thursday Ray. Here's the things you will need. Bobby pins. You also need a hair tie. This is a super long one. You don't need a long one, I just used what I had. And you will also need hair that is dry and curly. I mean, if you don't have curly hair, you could probably try this, just curl it or something beforehand, put it in braids the night before, do something to it. But I just used Archangel gel and Eva Curl one condition in my hair last night, and this is what it looks like. I can put a tutorial out on how I did my hair, but yeah, this is just day old hair, so let's get started. So first we're going to start out by sectioning hair. So we're going to take this hair, just kind of well, first you want to make sure you have your good part. So once you have your good part, you're just going to want to make sure that you section the hair. So now that you have those, you're going to bring this part up into a ponytail. Just a loose ponytail. I'm just going to take a hair tie. I have a giant one here, but once we take our hair tie, just going to put it in. I put this really loosely. Now we're just going to puff all this hair and make it big and gorgeous. And now I'm just going to pin this in place so it looks really big. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to start twisting up here. We're bringing it close, just kind of swing the hair up and turn. Swing and turn. Once you get all the hair there, continue twisting back. Just keep twisting it. Just going to bring it around the back and pin it. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Just start twisting. And actually what we're going to do is we're going to swing it around the base of the bun. And I'm just going to swing this one around the base too. And pin in place. So now that we have this all taken care of, it looks like this at the moment. And we're just going to pile all of our curls up. You can see kind of that. I'm literally just piling all my curls up. And I'm going to pin them in place. So now the last step is to just kind of hide the part. So you can see if I bring it down, I have a really distinct part, but if I bring it up, then there's not really much of a part. So I'm just going to take some of my bobby pins and kind of slide it in there to keep the part from showing. And there we go. Now if I want to do the same thing, I can over here. Just kind of glide it in between the hair. And there we go. And here you have it. Your Greek goddess hairstyle. Greek goddess. So anyway, yeah. It's a really cute hairstyle, and the only thing you might want to complete it are sunglasses. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe below, and until then, be true to you. Bye guys.